Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with NPM for GitHub token registry access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your terminal or command prompt. Ensure that you have node.js and NPM installed on your computer. You can verify your installation by typing node v and npm v. Next, log in to your GitHub account. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture. Now, select Developer Settings from the sidebar. In the Developer Settings, click on Personal Access Tokens. To create a new token, choose Tokens, Classic, and then click on Generate New Token. Name your token in the given field. Set the necessary scopes for your token. For NPM registry access, you will need the repo and write packages scopes. Once you've selected your scopes, click Generate Token. Copy your new personal access token. Now, return to your terminal. To configure NPM with your GitHub token, type npm login scope equals at your _GitHub username registry equals https://npm.packagegithub.com. Replace your _GitHub username with your actual GitHub username. When prompted, enter your GitHub username. For the password, paste the personal access token you copied earlier. Leave the email field blank or enter the email associated with your GitHub account. After successfully logging in, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, you can publish your packages to the GitHub NPM registry. To verify, you can run npm huami scope equals at your _GitHub username. If your username appears, the authentication was successful. You're now ready to push and manage packages using the GitHub NPM registry. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.